Race City, USA. It's a place filled with NASCAR excitement, boating thrills, and best of all, it's right here in North Carolina. Mooresville lies just north of Charlotte and is a booming suburb popular among families looking for a place to settle with plenty of action and a minimal work commute. This town offers the best of both lake life and rural roots, making it easy for you to find the perfect home to match your lifestyle. Home to many famous NASCAR drivers and teams, Mooresville lets residents live life in the fast lane while maintaining a small town feel and high quality of life. There is always something happening in lively downtown Mooresville, from festivals to art shows, breweries to praised restaurants, shopping, and plenty of entertainment, all in the heart of downtown. Or if that's not your speed, relish in the quietness of nearby Lake Norman, perfect for avid boaters or families looking for some outdoor adventure. North Carolina's largest man-made lake offers plenty of space for racing jet skis, paddleboarding, swimming, and year-round fishing. Mooresville also offers go-karting and a museum for race fanatics. There's no shortage of entertainment here. And when you're ready to make Mooresville more than just a pit stop, Lennar Homes will be there to help you settle down. Lennar communities are just miles away from quaint downtown Mooresville and are close to award-winning schools, shopping, dining, parks, and more. Our single-family homes feature modern floor plans with today's most sought-after finishes. Lennar's Everything's Included and Connected Home features make the home buying decision easier than ever before. There's no better time to make the move to Mooresville. Head full throttle to the home of your dreams, only in Race City, USA.